Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android with Google Drive. Let's have a look. For transfer, I'm using iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, install Google Drive on your iPhone. So open App Store, then tap search button on bottom right corner of the screen. On the search box, type Google Drive. Search for Google Drive. Download and install Google Drive Online Backup. When Google Drive installed, you can tap Open or from home screen, open Drive app. Now sign in using the same Google account that you plan on using with your Android phone. When you sign in with your Gmail ID, from Google Drive home screen, tap three lines on top left, then tap Settings. From Google Drive Settings, tap Backup. Backup with Google Drive. If you would like to transfer contacts only, make sure photos and videos backup to Google Photos turned off. Also, calendar events backup to Google Calendar turned off. Tap Contacts and make sure backup to Google Contacts turned on. So only contacts will be backup to Google Drive. Other items like calendar and photos turned off. Now tap Start Backup on bottom right corner of the screen. Google Drive. Would you like to access your contacts? Required to backup your contacts and upload them to Google Contacts. Tap OK. This will start backing up your contacts from iPhone. Backup complete. Contacts. 384 items backed up to Google Contacts. Now it's a time to transfer contacts from iPhone. In your Android phone, open Play Store. Tap your profile picture icon on top right corner of the screen. Tap the arrow button beside your profile name. Tap Add another account. Enter the same account that you used on your iPhone for backup. Enter your Gmail ID and password, then tap Next. Now close Play Store and open Phone app. Tap Contacts and here you will see all of your iPhone contacts transferred. So these are the steps to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android with Google Drive. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.